Hi there, my trading friends. It's Tuesday, April 13th, 2021, and your cherry bomb trade is in for today. Today we're looking at Facebook. Facebook has a liquidity rank, as you can see over there in the right, top right-ish, of 4 drops out of 4, or those are stars if you use Tastyworks. And the IV rank is currently 19, so that puts us in a debit spread territory. So that's why we're looking at a long call vertical. And if you got the email from Tasty Trade, which is the cherry bomb emails, we'll tell you at the end how you can get those emails from Tasty Trade 5 days a week too. You'll know that we're kind of expecting them to go up because they've been lagging. When I say they, I mean Facebook, to hopefully catch up with the rest of the market, which has been going up quite a bit recently. Which is why yesterday's trade in Macy's, we were looking for somebody who hadn't been following that trend as well, because we were doing our part 2 in our series of buying calls, which is not normally the Tasty Trade way, but I had gotten an email from a viewer talking about, hey, we'd love it if I covered that strategy, so I'm giving it a whirl. I'm expecting Tasty Trade's research to play out for me. I would be happy to be pleasantly surprised, but at the same time, I'm not going to trust those results unless I put it to the test. That's what we do here. All right, so now that we got a trade overview, let's hop on into Thinkorswim and get going. But first, allow me to introduce myself really quickly. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. I want to thank you for joining us today, and stick around to the end. We'll tell you how you can join us. So, here we go. On screen, you can see our modest little portfolio that we have going right now. We've taken some of our winners off, and as you know, when you do that, you're left with some of your losers. And when we do many defined risk trades, I kind of let those probabilities play out, because that's one strategy of management. All right, so let's go take a look at the charts. There's Macy's from yesterday. Oh, and it gave us a green candle. So we did profit. I guess we could take a quick look at that. Macy's yesterday, a profit of $19 yesterday. It was more than that at some point. I will still take profit. Thank you very much. So let's plug in Facebook, FB. And we're still near the highs. So I guess we're expecting Facebook to go up. I gotta tell you, I see that and I'm like, But then again, I was the same way for SPYs recently, and it did not do what I was hoping it would do. You would think it was going to have a correction with as many green candles as we've been seeing, but that's our market for you. Anyway, let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the May 14th weeklies with 31 days to expiration. And we're going to be doing a long call vertical. So that means we scroll all the way down to the At the Money call section. And we'd be buying the 310. So we're going to left click on the ask. And then I'm going to hold down the control key and left click on the bid for the 312.50 for a $2.50 wide vertical, which is going to cost us $1.10, leaving us room to profit more than we can risk. So we're risking $1.10, right? So we are technically paying $1.10 for this if we hold it to expiration. That's extrinsic value there. That although we are in the money, so it's not all extrinsic, right? But that would pretty much evaporate that $1.10 if it didn't move. So let's go ahead now and notice that we have one contract each, because we have changed our order defaults. I'm going to move this camera just a smidge. All right, there we go. All right, so we have changed our order defaults from the 10 to 1 to follow the Tasty trade so often and trade small, trade often approach. Okay, and so now that we've got that, I'm going to go ahead and look at the risk profile, set the date in the top right corner to the date you see in turquoise in the bottom left corner, which is May 15th. There that is. We've got our expected move now in this lighter gray portion here, right? That doesn't mean that that's only where it can go, but that's where sort of probability says it will end up by expiration, somewhere in this gray area. And when I want this gold price slice, which I like to call my goal post, I want to drag it to where the turquoise line crosses the $0. That's the break even, but I want to do it automatically by choosing this option right here. That sets it over to break even for me. And we can see that we're looking at a 48% probability of profit. According to Tastyworks, that same trade is a 49% probability with a 62% P50, giving us 62% probability of taking off half that credit in the next 31 days. And I don't mind taking off $70 in the next 31 days. That sounds good to me. Lots of little wins. And that's how that goes. If you believe that that's how that goes. So we'll put it to the test and find out. That's what we do here. So I'm going to right click and choose the confirm and send. We can see what we already said of risking the 110, possibly making 140 with a better than 60% chance of us taking off half of that in the next 31 days. I'm going to leave that in my margin account and hit send. And that is it for your cherry bomb trade for today. So I want to thank you if you've made it this far into my video. I give you a thumbs up. I can't hit a button down there for you, but if you feel that I have earned it with my video content, please hit that like button. It does help me. Things are slowing down for me here in YouTube land, and that's all right. You got to keep on keeping on. I'm not doing this for likes or subs. It's just nice. It's nice. I hope you like what you get in here. And anyway, if you do like what you get in here, there's really a two-step process so that you can follow along with us. 3, if you want to check out a playlist I've made. Step number 1 is get the Cherry Bomb emails. Down below is a link to sign up for Tasty Trade's email page. Go ahead and sign up for that. After you do that, come on back to YouTube here. I've got probably nearing 300 videos at this point here, where we basically do a lot of cherry bomb trades. There's some how-tos too as well, like ones where we've done how to change your order defaults. But anyway, I digress. You've signed up for the Cherry Bomb email list. Come on back. And if you want, step number 2 is subscribe and ring the bell for this channel. It does help me, and I hope it will help you as well to improve your consistency, put yourself in a flight simulator so that you're ready to go to real money when you're ready, right? Okay, step number 3 is, of course, and I think all of my videos, I have a link to a playlist of getting started with Thinkorswim. So that might help you there. All right, until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb, everyone, may the market be with you.